Blue's industrial strength comes from neodymium, the strongest magnets in the world, with permanent magnetism that will not fade. The magnetic assembly directs all the magnetic pole one way to maximize the pole's strength. The magnetic assembly is resistant to corrosion. The magnets are plated with nickel and copper before they are embedded in the blue silicone inside a steel cup that is plated in nickel, copper, and chrome. Magnets are glued in place, then embedded in blue silicone rubber, keeping the base free of debris and allowing full magnet-to-metal contact for ultimate holding power. Super Blue magnets are versatile, providing a repositionable and strong base on any ferrous metal surface. The center hole and recessed interior space allow you to easily attach a hook, eye bolt, or any other appropriate fastener that you have, leaving plenty of room for flush mounting of the magnet. Ideal in warehouses, garages, manufacturing facilities, and offices for holding, positioning, and mounting applications. If you are looking for round base, shallow pot, or cup magnets, our Super Blue assemblies have the next level strength and small footprint to hold surprisingly heavy loads. Mount and attach lights, equipment, and much, much more. Available in 4 pole strengths from 40 to 220 pounds. The amazing Super Blue hook is strong and durable. It swivels and rotates 360 degrees in each direction. You can get the Super Blue holding power and ultimate positioning flexibility. Buy online or call today to put Super Blue's strength to work for you.